Look at all this snow. Those clotheslines are taller than me. Look how high those things are up on the snow's up on it now. And we're not even done yet. We still have all day and probably tomorrow before we're done with the snow. Yeah, there's my husband's truck back there. Yeah. Yeah. And that big mound over there is my brother-in-law's car. Can't see it anymore. Look at that. And it's still snowing. This is the radar map on the National Weather Service, or NOAA.com. We live right there, and we still have all of this coming today. This was the worst part of it. That happened last night. And it's moving out that way. But see how humongous this storm is? We have a lot more snow left still coming. I couldn't even tell you how much we have right now. Close to 2 feet, maybe more. It's bad. But yeah, we're definitely snowed in right now.